Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to learn about the different data types in Uiua. So first up we have numbers, aka Z-things. So yeah, numbers. When we're talking about numbers here, we're usually not talking about fractional decimal numbers. So like for example, if we use the pick function, 532. Let me just add more elements. I was gonna say 1. 1 is the element was the 5th index in it. If I pick 6, say 6. If we say pick 1, 3, pick 0, 5. But if we say pick 5.5 or something, it's gonna say it must be an array of integers, not anything else. So yeah, if you want this to work, you have to convert it into a whole number by using either a floor, round, or what was it? Ceiling. There are also complex numbers. You can be created using the complex function. If we say 5, 3, it's going to say 3 plus 5i. Push 3 onto the stack, push 5 onto the stack, then it's going to do the complex. That's why it's 3 plus 5i, not 5 plus 3i. So yeah, anyways, you can use them just like any other type of numbers. 8, 9. So now let's add them. 12 plus 13i, subtract them. Negative 6 minus 3i, multiply them. Yeah, you got the point. Even though they work like normal numbers, they can't be used as a substitute for normal numbers. So I get to use that pick function as an example again. Pick complex 5, 3. I'm just gonna put a bunch of numbers in the list. Doesn't work. Must be an array of integers. Even though we could convert complex values into integers by using the absolute value function. Give it in. So let me just put the absolute value function here. As you can see, it's going to turn into a normal number. Alright, so next data types we're going to learn are characters. So we use these things to represent them. So if we say like A, B, B, C, T, you know, anything. It could even be a space character. Alright, so how can you manipulate these characters? So let's say H. So if we try to add 1 to H, it's going to turn into I. If we add 10 to H, it's going to turn into R. 100 to H, it's going to turn into this real character. And yeah, it basically has every character. So yeah, if we add a character to a character, let's say D plus F. You can't do that, sadly, or not sadly. So yeah, let's say we have a list of characters. So U, I, U, A. So we can have that. An array of characters should be instead written as a string. Okay, yeah, whatever, I don't care. So let's add 1. It's going to turn into VJVB. We add 2, WKWC. And as usual, the same thing. Alright, so strings are basically adjoinments of characters. So if we write plus 10, Uiua, I'm gonna end up with basically the same thing as if we just made a list of characters. And instead of using these double quotes, you can also write strings like this. So yeah, both of these are the same. If you want to write a string in the pretty formats, I guess, then you could use this piecing. Let's just stick with this type of string. So P. You have to write the string like this. So now it says hello without the quotes. If we just do it normal, you're just gonna do it with the quotes. But yeah, I guess that's how it is. Alright, so what do we have next? The next data type is called boxes. What are boxes? Well, let's say you have a list 2, 5, 4. Another list 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try to add these lists together. So the shapes of them don't match. Okay, then let's box them instead. Oops. Actually, the boxes function is to wrap an array or shape or whatever. Let's say box 5, 4, 2. If you want to make an array that's already a box, right, you can use these curly brackets. So yeah. Oh yeah, when you use the curly brackets, it doesn't do this. It does this. Box 5, box 4, box 2. Alright, so that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.